What's up, guys? It's Carl from How to Make It in Toronto here, the podcast where we share real stories, real strategies, and real insight to help you level up both in life and business. Today, we're diving into something a lot of us face, especially in the age of AI that moves fast and demands even faster growth. I'm talking about career transitions and business pivots. Maybe you're leaving your 9 to 5 to follow your passion, or maybe you're shifting industries, or maybe your business model just isn't working anymore and it's time for a new game plan. Whatever that reason, change can be uncomfortable, but it can also be your biggest opportunity. So today, I'm sharing 3 powerful tips to help you transition with confidence and clarity. Tip number 1, get clear on your why. Before you change what you do, understand why you're doing it. Are you burnt out? Are you seeking more freedom? Wanting to align your work with your values? Write it down. Your why becomes your compass. Because when things get messy, and believe me, they will, it's your reason that keeps you grounded. A pro tip, create a mission statement for the next chapter of your life. Just one sentence that captures what success looks like for you now. Tip number 2, audit your skills and transferable assets. One of the biggest lies we tell ourselves during a transition is, I'm starting from scratch. But the truth is, no, you're not. You're bringing experience, perspective, resilience, and a whole toolbox of skills with you. Ask yourself, what do I already know and how do I do it well? What's relevant in this new space? What gaps do I need to fill? This type of mindset helps you move from feeling like a beginner to building with purpose. A pro tip for that is update your resume or portfolio. Not for others, but to remind yourself how much you bring to the table. Tip number 3, start small, move fast, learn quickly. Transitions don't have to be giant leaps. They can be calculated steps. Test the waters with maybe starting a side hustle, freelance on the weekends, take an online course, reach out to someone already doing what you want to do and ask them questions. Momentum builds confidence and confidence attracts opportunity. A pro tip for that, create a 30-day action plan. Not a big dream, but just small daily moves that consistently changes everything. So to recap, get clear on your why, audit your strengths into transferable skills, start small, learn fast, and remember, transition isn't failure, it's growth in motion. If you're going through a career pivot right now, hit me up. I'd love to hear your story or even help you brainstorm your next step. Until next time, keep showing up, keep building, and as always, keep asking how to make it in Toronto. It's Carl. Take it easy.